Whenever a company tells you that they offer this, I would look at that as a little catch, as a little something that the company doesn't tell you, because what they're actually doing is they are telling you it's cheaper, so you go ahead and purchase it through them, and then if anything happens, they have complete leverage over you because you cannot cash your money without them. That is not a position you want to be in. That is something you want to run away from. Hi guys, this is Kevin with the Trucker Side, making this video today mostly for owner operators. I'm gonna be talking about insurance and some tips and tricks, some things you don't know, a lot of people don't know about insurance and the way insurance is being handled, and I think it's very important, especially for owner operators, to know and understand how these things works, because these things can mean a difference between staying in business or not at the right time. So stay tuned and watch the whole video so you can understand exactly what it is that I'm trying to talk about. So first, I'm gonna break down a little bit the main types of insurance that you are using, or you need to use at least, to be able to function legally and safely out on public roads while driving a semi-truck. So the first one that pretty much everybody knows is pretty self-explanatory: the cargo insurance. Cargo insurance covers the freight in case anything happens, in case the freight is damaged in any way. Cargo insurance will cover that aspect. Then you get liability insurance. Liability generally will cover third-party damages. So if you hit a bridge, if you hit another vehicle, if you hit a building or any type of stuff like that, that will go under the liability insurance. Now, note that liability and cargo will have to be procured through the carrier. So the policy needs to be under the name of the company that you have on the side of the door in order to run under the correct policy. Then, where I am trying to get to with this video, the physical damage and non-trucking liability, which is generally referred to as bobtail insurance. And it's something that a lot of owner operators don't even know while they're driving out on the road, that they do not have it set up like they should. Now, the physical damage and non-trucking liability, physical damage part of it will cover the truck itself. So any damage to the truck, stolen, caught fire, got damaged, got hit, you hit it, somebody else hit it that doesn't have insurance, regardless of the type of accident or incident that happens to your truck, that would go under the physical damage part of it. The non-trucking liability part of it is pretty much liability when you're not under dispatch. So anything you might hit, bridges, cars, trucks, buildings, while you're not under dispatch, will go under the non-trucking liability policy. Now, this physical damage and non-trucking liability, I'm gonna tell you from a recruiter's perspective. I have a lot of people call in and then they ask me if we offer that as a company. That is not okay to look at it like that, because nobody really offers it. This is a policy that is mainly based on the price that the equipment is insured under. So roughly, depending how much money the agent adds on top of it when he sells it to you, it's going to be more or less. But as a baseline to be established, that is going to cost according to the price of the truck. Where is the problem with this one? If you get it through the company, like people ask, do you offer it? Companies will tell you mainly that they offer it cheaper and get the money somewhere else. But then if something happens, if you get into an accident, or let's say the worst case scenario, you end up totaling your truck, then you as the truck owner and the policy holder, which is the company you get it through, if you decide to go that way, will both get a check. Now, this is where I don't agree. If the truck is yours, the company should not get a check. You should get a check because you own the truck, you're making payments on that equipment, and if you total that equipment and you need to finish up a loan or you need to fix it in order to keep going, you should have control of that money as an owner operator, not anybody else. Whenever a company tells you that they offer this, I would look at that as a little catch, as a little something that the company doesn't tell you, because what they're actually doing is they are telling you it's cheaper, so you go ahead and purchase it through them, and then if anything happens, they have complete leverage over you because you cannot cash your money without them. That is not a position you want to be in. That is something you want to run away from. Get your own insurance. There's good agents out there that will insure owner operators, even if it seems in the beginning that it is a little more expensive. trust me, on the long run, you are better off doing that, because then you're in control of what happens to your equipment in case of any incident or accident. If you have any questions or misunderstanding regarding this insurance or any other types of insurance in trucking, and you need to hear more from us, or you need a second opinion on anything, feel free to contact us. We're always on the trucker side. Thanks for watching this video. Please share it with other people. This is something that's really not known in trucking, and way more people should know. Way more owner operators should be in control of their money and their destiny, and they should know this information. So please share it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Again, this is Kevin on the trucker side. Have a great day.